In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a partition in Windows 11 or 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using. So what you want to do is go over to the bottom left where it has a start icon, go ahead and right click on it, and you're going to see a lot of options, but the one you want is disk management. It's then going to look something like this. As you can see, I already have two partitions right now. I have a healthy recovery partition, and then also another partition right here as well, which is also a EFI system partition, which you might just see by default. But what I want to do right now is I want to go ahead and find whatever drive I want. So let's say it's the C drive. Then I'm going to go ahead and press shrink volume like so. And then it's going to be querying for a volume for available shrink space. And by that, it basically means it's going to be checking your capacity and how much free space you have on that drive. As you can see, I have 64% available, but it's just going to be checking everything to make sure it can even allocate enough space. So now I want to enter the amount of space to shrink. So let's just say I want to go ahead and, just shrink a bit, like 500 megabytes or something. All I got to do is choose 500 right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and press shrink right there. So now I'm just going to wait for that partition to be made. You're just going to wait a few seconds to a minute for this to happen, but it's essentially going to be making that partition, which then as you can see, it's currently unallocated. So now all I want to do is right click on this unallocated thing, and then I want to press new simple volume. Go ahead and press next, and then it's going to ask me how much size I want. Press next again, and then I can assign a letter to it. So let's just say I want to assign any letter. Let's say we wanted to make an E drive. All you're going to do is find that letter. So now it's E, and then all I got to do is press next, and then it says format this volume. And then all I got to do is press next again, and then that's it. I'll be able to make another drive. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.